On the vaccine front, the CDC is still investigating possible issues raised by the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. It comes as the Department of Health reports nearly a quarter of the state is completely vaccinated tonight. Right now, more than 1,300 people are in the hospital with COVID-19, and nearly 2,200 cases are being noted across the state. Use of the J&J shot was paused across the U.S. on Tuesday, potentially dealing a blow to vaccination efforts. NBC4's Alan Henry is live outside Ohio State's Wexner Medical Center. And Alan, you spoke to doctors there today. What do they have to say?
Well, they want everyone to know that there are two other perfectly good shots still out there. The Moderna and Pfizer shots, which have been out for longer and are showing none of those same issues.
The J&J vaccine is a completely different technology than both Pfizer and Moderna.
And because of that, Dr. Ian Gonsenhauser says the Pfizer and Moderna shots can still be trusted. In fact, it could turn out the J&J vaccine can still be trusted as well.
People should understand that this is part of the safety process. That's why we're doing this right now out of an abundance of caution, so that we can determine if there is a link, and if there is, can we respond to that in a way to keep as many people safe as possible.
Leslie Kelp recently got the J&J shot. She says she has no side effects and no regrets.
It's 6 cases in 7 million that had been vaccinated. I have no issues with it, whatever. I'm glad I got the vaccine with the Johnson & Johnson and done.
Gonsenhauser says the vaccination efforts can't afford to be slowed down at this crucial stage in the pandemic.
The more people that remain unvaccinated, the more COVID will remain in our communities, the longer it will remain in our communities, the more likelihood it has of developing variants and other mutations, and the more likely this is to be a problem for the long haul.
And in the short term, he says COVID is still a very real and present danger.
At this point, your risk of a negative consequence from getting COVID is much higher than your risk of something bad happening as a result of a vaccine.
The CDC will meet again next week after they review more possible cases of those blood clots. In the meantime, the J&J shot will remain paused. But again, doctors say you can get those 2 other shots without any of those same concerns. Local for you at Wexner Medical Center, Alan Henry, NBC4.